Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone 15. So guys, if you're facing an issue with your FaceTime on your iPhone 15 that your FaceTime is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue, so you are in a right video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply check FaceTime status. Ensure that FaceTime is not expressing a service outage. You can check the status of FaceTime on the Apple system status page. If FaceTime is expressing issues, you may need to wait until the service is restored. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve the issue. So you have to open your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone 15 has a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. FaceTime requires a reliable internet connection for video and audio calls. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Go to your settings, go to General, tap on Software Update and install any available update. Updates often include bug fixes that can address FaceTime issues. After updating to the latest version of iOS and you are still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do toggle your airplane mode on and off. Turn on your airplane mode by going to Control Center, then wait for a few seconds before turning it off again. This can help refresh network connections. After this, then you have to restart your FaceTime. You have to go to your settings, scroll down and then go to FaceTime. After this, then you have to switch it off and then switch it on again. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. After this, then you have to do is check your date and time settings. Ensure that the date and time settings on your iPhone 15 are correct. Go to your settings, tap on General, then tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. After trying this all solution and you are still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. To do this, you have to go to your General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.